Hi students! Welcome back sa Gramath! Nahihirapan ka na ba sa quadratic equations? Parang ang gulo minsan, di ba? Pero don't worry, after nitong lesson, matututunan mo kung paano isolve gamit ang completing the square method. Gagawin natin itong step by step. Madali lang to, promise. Tara, simulan na natin. Okay, so let's start with example number 1. X squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So, ang una natin gagawin is tignan natin yung coefficient ng x squared kung 1. So, in this case, it's already 1. So, mayroon ditong number na 1. Okay? Tapos, ang next step, kung 1 na yan, proceed tayo sa paglipat ng constant, which is positive 5. So, ilipat natin siya from left to right. And then, pag inilipat natin, make sure napapalitan natin ang sign. So, let's do it. X squared plus 6x equals negative 5. Alright? So, next is hahanapin natin ngayon yung b. Ito, yung b. Kasi, gagawin natin b over 2 squared. So, hahanapin natin yung b over 2 squared. So, that is equal to 6, which is yung b, divide by 2, or over 2, squared. And that is equal to 6 over 2 is 3 squared. And that will give us 9. Okay. So, yung 9 na yan is i-add natin on both sides ng equation. So, let's do it. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals negative 5 plus 9. And then, ang next step natin is i-square natin itong left side na equation. That is equal to x plus 3 squared equal to negative 5 plus 9, that is equal to 4. Okay? And then, ang next natin is tatanggalin natin ngayon yung square nito. So, paano ba natin tatanggalin? I-square root natin both sides. Okay? So, that is equal to x plus 3 squared equals 4. So, square root natin. Square root natin both sides. Cancel. So, that is equal to x plus 3 equals, pag nag-square root tayo, meron tayong dalawang values ng, okay, which is positive and negative 2. Alright? So, ang next step natin, ililipat natin tong 3 to this side. Pag nalipat tayo, papalitan ulit natin ng sign. So, that is equal to x equals plus or minus 2 minus 3. So, makukuha na natin yung dalawang values ng x. So, gamitin natin yung positive ng positive 2. x1 is equal to positive 2 minus 3. So, x1 is equal to negative 1. Ito yung unang value ng x. Gamitin natin ulit yung negative 2. That is x2 equal to negative 2 minus 3. So, x2 is equal to negative 5. So, yan yung second value ng x. Alright? So, let's proceed to the next example. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Okay? So, ang first step natin na gagawin ulit, i-check natin yung coefficient ng x squared, kung 1 na ba? In this case, it's 1. Right? So, Next step natin is inilipat na natin yung constant here sa right side. So, negative 12 siya. Pag lipat ng right side, magiging positive 12. So, isulat na natin. X squared minus 4x equals 12. And next, yung b natin, which is negative 4. So, b over 2 squared, which is equal to negative 4, yung b. B over 2 squared. So, negative 4 divided by 2, that's equal to negative 2 squared. That will give us positive 4. Okay? So, in this case, pwede na natin gamitin to na i-add sa equation. So, i-add natin siya. So, x squared minus 4x plus negative 2 squared equal to 12 plus negative 2 squared. Okay? So, here, kopyahin na natin yan para i-square natin. That is equal to x minus 2 squared. That equal to 12. So, negative 2 squared, that is 4. So, plus 4. So, x minus 2 squared equals 16. So, ang next step natin, is square natin both sides ulit. Para matanggal yung power of 2. That is equal to x minus 2 equals plus or minus 4. Alright? And then next is ililipat natin to ulit sa right side. So that is equal to x equal to plus or minus 4 plus 2. And then makukuha ulit natin yung two values of x. So gamitin natin yung positive 4. That is x1 positive 4 plus 2. So x1 is equal to 6. So yan yung unang value ng x. Next, gamitin natin yung negative 4. x2 is equal to negative 4 plus 2. So, x2 is equal to negative 2. So, yan yung dalawang value ng x. Positive 6 and negative 2. Alright? Next, let's move on to the next example. Next example is 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. So, ang first step natin, i-check natin yung coefficient ng x squared kung 1 na ba. In this case, ang coefficient niya is 2. So, gagawin natin siyang 1. So, paano ba natin gagawin? Yan, no? Excuse me. So, paano ba natin gagawin yan na 1? I-divide natin lahat ng terms ng 2. Okay? So, i-divide natin siya ng 2, divide ng 2, and i-divide ng 2. And that will give us, cancel this one, x squared. Copy natin yung sign for x minus 5 equals 0. Alright? So, ang next step natin, after natin gawing 1 yung variable ng, or yung coefficient ng x squared, ilipat ulit natin yan, yung constant sa right side. X squared plus 4x equals 5. And then, kunin ulit natin yung b. b over 2 squared, that is equal to 4 over 2 squared, and that is equal to 4 over 2 is 2 squared, and that is 4. So, i-add natin siya on both sides ng equation. X squared plus 4x plus 2 squared equals 5 plus 2 squared. The next is i-square natin ulit yan, which is x plus 2 squared equal to 5 plus 4. So, x plus 2 squared is equal to 9. So, need natin ulit yung tatanggalin. So, square root natin siya on both sides. Square root, cancel. That is x plus 2 equals plus or minus 3. So, gamitin natin to para inipat ulit yung positive 2 sa right side para makuha natin yung value ng x. So, x is equal to plus or minus 3 minus 2. Alright? So, hanapin natin yung value ng x. Gamitin natin ulit yung positive 3 first. So, x1 is equal to 3 minus 2. So, x1 is equal to 1. Yan yung unang value ng x. Negative 3. x2 is equal to negative 3 minus 2. So, x2 is equal to negative 5. So, yan yung second value ng x. Okay? And next example is mini practice. So, try niyong gawin at i-comment ang inyong sagot sa comment section. So, ngayon, kaya mo na i-solve ang quadratic equations gamit ang completing the square. Kailangan lang mag-practice palagi para mas gumaling ka pa. So, kung may natutunan kayo sa video na to, huwag kakalimutan mag-like, comment, at subscribe para sa next math lessons. Kita-kits ulit! Bye!